And so the surgeon can go in through a small port.
Paul Ziegenhorn is tapping into a healthy trend. His Wooddale-based plastic injection molding company Matrix Tooling gets a large chunk of its $8 million in annual revenue from the growing medical device market, which is expected to pass $2 billion by 2015, almost double its 2009 value, according to data firm Research and Markets.
We've identified industries that are less likely to be under the pressures that are going to move them offshore. The fact of the matter is that there's not that many places that can do what we do.
Among Matrix products is the micro cutter, a minimally invasive tool used to cut out sections of tissue during surgery and one of the key reasons for the company's steady growth. It's one of many innovative medical tools made here in Chicago, where the sector is projected to expand by 4.5% each year under Mayor Emanuel's new economic development plan unveiled this month.
Shondell, what are we doing right now?
But meeting that demand growth calls for development of both technology and manpower. Ziegenhorn, who also serves as the chairman of the Illinois Tooling and Manufacturing Association, says the average age of employees in the medical manufacturing sector is in the 50s, which means as baby boomers retire, continued growth relies on finding young blood.
These types of jobs are unique in that they offer young people the opportunity to make advanced degree wages without the advanced degree. And that's really something.
Maybe the plastic's not getting there because the runner's in the wrong spot?
That's where the manufacturing flared curriculum at Chicago's Austin Polytech Academy is coming in handy. Ziegenhorn has partnered with the school and its new Scientific Concepts class to study the micro cutter and other surgical tools, from product design to their implementation in hospitals. It's a win for Matrix and for high schoolers who are gaining coveted skills for a sector that desperately needs them.
Starting at the beginning when we were able to say, like, here, this kid had surgery and it didn't go well. What can we do to make this better? Kind of made them see that this was actually something that they could, because some of them kids have said, well, I want to do something that changes people's lives. I want to do something that affects people. And they don't realize that through manufacturing you can still do that.
These machines are computer controlled.
Ziegenhorn hopes that sparking interest among students will ultimately help shore up the lack of skilled labor that plagues manufacturers. But in the short term, he's fighting a PR battle, trying to thwart the impression that manufacturing jobs are dirty and getting Chicago students to notice the opportunities in their own backyard.
It's not what you would typically expect from manufacturing. It's under more of lab environment. There is a percentage of kids that are better suited for getting into some sort of a technical field or a trade rather than going the traditional four-year college path. We're looking for those kids.